We're working through all the video tutorials for the Singer SE9180 sewing and embroidery machine. But if you've bought this machine and you are a sewer and really want to expand your sewing abilities, I want to invite you to our Stitching Cosmos online course. Hi, I'm Sarah from SewingMastery.com, and we do free video tutorials on tons of machines, embroidery machines, and sergers. But over the years, when people have learned how to use the basics of their sewing machines, they always ask me, what's next? How do I put this all together to be more creative? Now, yes, we have courses to help you go beyond when you're mastering your embroidery machine, like our Embroidery Essentials online course, but let's talk about the Stitching Cosmos. Now, I developed this class because I love accessories. Now, here is a secret about this particular Singer model. Now, even though it says Singer, we are also a Husqvarna Viking dealer, and we sell sewing machines at our retail store. So when I realized that the same accessories that Viking has fit this machine, I was excited because that means you can buy Viking feet that aren't labeled Singer and they will fit. And so much of the Stitching Cosmos is not just working with your decorative stitches and learning over 25 sewing techniques, but a few extra accessories along the way will help you love sewing even more. So even though we don't have a Singer Stitching Cosmos, we always invite our Singer users to attend the Husqvarna Viking Stitching Cosmos, where you're going to be able to follow along with your machine and be able to access all the Viking feet. Now, I would recommend that you go to your local Husqvarna Viking store and ask for the feet. Now, I will tell you, some dealers aren't going to realize that Husqvarna Viking and Singer feet are interchangeable when you own this model, but really just buy them. You'll be fine. They'll fit. Because what we are seeing is so many of the Viking feet, by their letter that is on them or their look, are actually the same feet. So I'm very excited when that option comes because we've already done this class. So people ask me, do I need to own all these feet for my Singer machine before I get started? No, but you will find and learn which feet would be right for you. So I always say, don't buy the feet until you actually learn the techniques. You can even do a lot of techniques without the feet, but it's always easier with the actual accessory, but then you can pick and choose. Now, here's the cool part. In all of our online courses, you can scroll down to the course curriculum where you can see all the lessons, and you can preview quite a few videos for free to see if the course is right for you. So I don't need a login, you don't need anything. You can just go right there, scroll to the bottom, and start watching the course videos and see what you're going to learn. So if it is something that you're interested in, I hope you'll join us. The Stitching Cosmos course has been enjoyed by students around the world, and you will love it too. We talk about, in one of our free videos, to start off with a stitch book, creating a page of each one of your decorative stitches for you to stitch out from your machine so you know what's there. That is a great place to start, and we'll put some of those links in the description below so you can actually just get started on that right away. Stitch out your stitch book. We talk about that a little bit with our embroidery videos, is to stitch out some of the designs that are in your machine just because they're going to look so much better stitched out and be like, oh yeah, that is kind of cool, versus just looking at the small pictures. So that is one thing. All the links to the classes that we recommend for you with this machine are in the description. So click on any of those and you can start watching the free videos to see which course you should sign up for first. If you want more embroidery, we've got embroidery videos. If you want more sewing, we've got sewing videos. And I hope you will join me on a journey of a lifetime as you work through all the wonderful features, functions, and accessory feet that you can get for the Singer SE9180 and all the things that you can do and be creative for. So I hope you'll join us in one of many online courses.